Today we will learn a very interesting concept of the spectroscopy, that is Raman spectroscopy. So technique spectroscopy is used for variety of the chemical analysis. The functional groups in the compound, the bonding in the compound structures are determined on the basis of spectroscopic techniques. What are the spectroscopy? The interaction of the light with the matter. But the first spectroscopy tool started initiated by Raman, Indian scientist, who got the first Nobel Prize in the science. So there is a very interesting idea behind spectroscopic tool technique that was initiated by Raman. Raman was a scientist. How he became a scientist? That is also a story. At the childhood, Raman was very brilliant student in the southern part of the India, and he got the opportunity to study in the foreign universities for his PG courses. Under his childhood, he was a very thinking, brighter student. He was very different questions were arised in his mind. He was fascinating about the colors of the flowers. So Raman was a bright student who was interesting in the nature. While traveling during his period of the studies from foreign universities to India, under the sea, in the sea ships, he seen the sky as a blue, and he think at the very scholar age, at the bachelor age, when he was a student, he think about that why sea looks blue and sky is also in the form of the color of the blue. So Raman think about why the colors are blue for sea, ocean as well as the sky. And from that, in his mind, he think that there is a light scattering on the sea and from sea to sky. Hence, the light scattering means interaction of the light with the matter materials present in the sky, clouds and in the water in the ocean with salts. From that, the light is interacted with the matter and it is scattered. From that, the technique of the spectroscopy was started. Raman invented his spectroscopy, for which he got the Nobel Prize for scattering of the lights. So what is he observed? He proved that he became a scientist and Nobel laureate, and he proved that whenever the light interacts with the matter, it releases the radiation, it scatters the radiation, some radiation absorbed, some radiation emitted, interaction with the matter takes place. Raman obtained the Stokes lines and anti-Stokes lines in his spectra in the spectroscopy. Stokes lines are given different frequency, anti-Stokes lines were given different frequency by interaction with the matter after scattering of the light with the matter. And he invented a tool to study the structures of the molecules and whatever present in the molecules in the matter, that is initiated with the interaction of the lights after scattering. And the Raman spectroscopy was invented, and in 1927 he got the Nobel Prize, first Nobel laureate of the India. And he formulated the instrumentation in which there was a filter and a sample chamber, a beam splitter and laser with the visible and ultraviolet radiation. Whenever that radiation passed through chopper, splitter and filter on the material samples, the lights were scattered that were detected in the grating glasses and in detector. In detector, he got the two types of the lines, Stokes lines and anti-Stokes lines. From that scattering of the molecules, from that the structures of the molecules can be elucidated. So Raman spectroscopy is used in chemistry as well as in the physics, especially for the molecules. The vibrational frequency in the molecules, biomolecules like enzymes, wherever metals is present, the crystal structures of the some lattices can be studied with the Raman spectroscopy. And nowadays in the research also, Raman spectroscopy has the wide applications. It is a very important tool to study the structures of the molecules. So there is a microspectroscopy based on the Raman spectroscopy, which determines the images of the molecules, color, bands in the molecules. From that, images can be studied. The polarization technique of the lights with interaction for the matters is based on the Raman scattering. So Raman spectroscopy is having variety of the wide applications in the science, especially in the chemical sciences, in life sciences. So Raman spectroscopy was invented by the Raman by at childhood thinking, and after that he become the scientist. So whatever the thinking minds from the childhood of the mankind that turns towards this scientifically environment of the human beings. This is one example of the Raman who became a brighter student and scientist after thinking and attachment with the nature. And this is the spectroscopy invention tool that is used for the structure determination of chemicals or molecules.